Did you know some plants are secret best friends in the garden while others are total enemies? Imagine unlocking a natural way to boost your harvests and ditch the pesticides. What's the trick? Hey gardeners, welcome back. Today we're diving into companion planting, a genius gardening hack used by pros for centuries. We'll plan your perfect garden with expert tips to make your plants thrive. Curious? Stick around. If you love growing your own food or flowers, hit that like button, share this with a gardening buddy, and subscribe for more green thumb secrets. So what's companion planting? It's pairing plants that help each other grow, like a garden buddy system. Some repel pests, others enrich the soil, and a few even boost flavor. Think of the famous Three Sisters combo from Native American farming: corn, beans, and squash. Corn gives beans a pole to climb, beans fix nitrogen in the soil, and squash shades the roots. It's nature's teamwork. Start small, test combos in a raised bed to see what clicks for your climate. Ready for some plant power couples? Let's break down the VIPs. Tomatoes and basil aren't just a pizza dream team. Basil repels tomato hornworms and might even make your tomatoes tastier. Science says yes. Marigolds are pest-fighting superheroes. Plant them near carrots or cucumbers to ward off nematodes and aphids. Onions confuse carrot flies with their strong scent. Plant them in rows together for a pest-free zone. Space matters. Give marigolds a few inches from veggies. They're helpers, not huggers. But wait, could some plants secretly sabotage each other? Oh yes. Keep potatoes away from sunflowers. They compete for nutrients and stunt each other. Same with beans and garlic. Garlic's aroma messes with bean growth. Check your plant families. Like, don't mix brassicas like cabbage and broccoli with strawberries. They attract the same pests and double your trouble. Sketch a garden map before planting. A little planning avoids a big headache. Here's your game plan. First, list your favorite crops. Second, research their best pals and worst foes. Google's your friend here. Third, map your garden layout. Mix heights and root depths for maximum space. Fourth, plant early helpers like marigolds now for spring protection. Rotate crops yearly to keep soil happy. Companion planting isn't a one and done. What combos will you try? Your garden's about to get a serious upgrade. That's companion planting in a nutshell. Nature's cheat code for epic gardens. Let me know your favorite pair below. Smash that like, share this with your plant crew and subscribe. We've got more gardening gold coming your way. Happy planting!